Write a Python program to subtract 5 days from the current date. Okay, to subtract 5 days from the current date means from today we have to return the before 5 days. Okay, what are the 5 days before the current date? Okay, so simple one, using time delta class you can use this one. Time delta class, using time delta class, simple one. Just check this one from datetime input star. So date class is there, you have to create object for this data today. So for this expression returns an object and we have to store it in a variable. There's nothing but an object here. So here time date delta class, check here the parameters, days, seconds, microseconds, milliseconds, minutes, hours, weeks here. Okay, so it represents, so time delta you can add to the current date or you can remove from the current date. Okay, so current means time delta 5, okay, days means 5, first parameter 5 we have taken, so current date minus 5 days here. Okay, so it saves in this object, dt object. Okay, dt object. Okay, these both are classes, date and time delta. We are creating object of this by calling these methods and storing in this variable, nothing but an object here. Okay, just check the output here. So today is 2031, last day of the 2023, and before 5 days 26th here. Okay, 23, 12, 36, right? Time delta function. Okay, if you want to add any day or hour or minute or seconds, or if you want to remove any days or hours or minutes or second, day, seconds, you have use time delta class. Okay, remember that one.